813-869-1556. 813-869-1556. That is the number to remember, folks, if you have drainage problems. We are removing ton after ton of clay off of this property, giving this homeowner a remedy that any Florida resident should be proud of. Take a walk with me. 6 inches standard, single or dual wall. Standard, the H1 standard. Look at all the stuff we ripped out. Failed systems, again and again. It's a test mock-up system, it's not ready yet. But of course, we're gonna start our 6-inch pipe and our run. And you see our burrito system. Oh yeah, look at all that beautiful drainage stone. It's beautiful drainage stone. Yes, I got water running in here, testing our fall. As you see, we have attained fall all the way to here. And here's dam number 1. And here's dam number 2, just to stop the water from going into our sump pump. So as you see, our system has achieved fall all the way. We'll put our sump pump here. We already have power right there. As we come out to over here, we have lines that's going to be connected into the system. Lines that's going to be connected into the system. It's going to go into the sump pump. And after we finish, we are going to regrade and sod the backyard area.